I think technology is critical for scaling these types of tests globally. I don't think we'd be able to have personalised medicine without, high throughput, scalable technologies. I think these technologies are going to be able to enable personalised medicine for all, and that's a real focus of what we do, is enabling anybody, regardless of their geographical or economical situation, to be able to get access for personalised medicine. So whether it's somebody who's in a rural setting in Africa, the capability to receive a doctor's consultation or drug treatment results on a basic mobile device, right through to laboratories and clinicians able to access the latest data and results as a result of this technology. And I think from my perspective, it's incredibly important that there is international collaboration. I think in the past, science has been focused on high-income countries, and the issue with high-income countries is we're not representative in data sets, we're not represented in the voices at the table around enabling personalised medicine, and we're not represented in the technologies that are doing it. And the technologies can't work in these settings as a result of that. So by us all collaborating, we'll have diverse data sets, we'll have different voices at the table, and be able to remove these barriers for inequality and truly enable global personalised medicine.